Hey, welcome to Playbook Affiliates, your place for all things affiliates and tutorials. This channel is all about things that I've learned and things that have helped me to build an online income that's replaced working for somebody else. My name is Lonnie Welch, and if you like this channel, please hit that bell. You'll get all of my latest updates and videos and all that cool stuff. A little bit about myself. I started this 10 years ago, learning about affiliate programs and marketing online. I actually learned this for a basketball program that I generate over $100,000 a year for the last 10 years. So I've also been building a side income with affiliate marketing. For those who don't know, affiliate basically is really cool. You don't control any products. You don't have to handle support. Only thing you do is two things. You find the offer and you create and you send traffic to it. That's it. Find the offer, send traffic to it. So this has been a really cool thing for me. Finding products that really work and they create residual income, meaning just like I said before, you find the you find the offer, and then you put it with the traffic, and then you get paid. But this system of finding the offer and the traffic is a little bit different because you find that offer, and then you send that traffic to it, but you only have to do it once, and it pays you over and over and over again. So that's what this channel is going to be all about. We're going to be going through tutorials that I actually use and that I do that create income. Also some tips, some tricks, some other cool things. So if you like the idea of learning the right way without paying $25,000, and other prices like that for some of this stuff, I really want to say they got it off the internet and they probably don't even use it. But you're going to learn what really works. You're at the right place, the right time. So we're going to start by taking you through these videos, and they're free. Can't be free. Free. That's what my coach used to always say. So, but anyway, I'm also going to have a number on here that you're going to be able to use where you're able to text me, ask me questions. I do get a lot of texts and I get a lot of messages. I do get back to you as quick as I possibly can. We're going to build this thing together. From beginning to making $3 to $4 grand a month. Now, here's the cool part about this. If you can spend, let me say, what it takes to go to McDonald's or Burger King or something like that for a family of two, the way prices are now anyway, or three, you have the income it takes to create a lifestyle that you want. You can start there. Watch these videos, and I will see you on the other side.